What's up, guys? It's Marcus, the immigration lawyer. Guys, this is probably one of the most important videos I've made to date because I'm going to talk about something that a lot of people mess this up. Even some attorneys mess this up, and it can completely just derail people's lives and cause major disruptions. And the issue has to do with people applying for green cards and they don't understand which category they are applying under. You have to understand that in the family-based immigration system, there are two categories of family-based applications. There are immediate relatives and there's family preference categories. People who are immediate relatives are going to be spouses, parents, and children of U.S. citizens. And you need to understand that with children, that's defined as somebody who's under 21 years old, okay? If the child is over 21 years old, they can qualify as an immediate relative if they're filing for their parents, okay? So for their mom or dad. Otherwise, everybody else falls into the family preference categories, and there are very, very long backlogs in those categories. So these are going to be everybody else, people who are brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens, or children who are over 21 years old, or spouses or children of permanent residents, okay? All those people fall into a family preference category, and there's very long backlogs that you need to be paying attention to under the Department of State's visa bulletin. However, if you're in the immediate relative category, you're not subject to the normal green card or visa caps. So those people have a little bit more flexible rules in applying for green cards. You know, a lot of the status violations and other types of immigration violations can be forgiven under those categories. But the issue for a lot of people is they don't understand the difference between those two categories, and people will misfile an application thinking they're eligible for a green card or an adjustment of status when they're totally not eligible. And I get these phone calls all the time, and it takes a lot of education. It takes me a long time sometimes to educate clients about the difference between these two categories, and it can be really sad because an application can get misfiled. A person thinks they're eligible when they're not, and if it gets denied, many times the person is out of status and they get referred into removal proceedings. And it can be